Hi there, I'm Donna Bordeaux with campgroundaccounting.com. Wanted to come to you today with a cool little idea. I don't know how many of you saw it, but the Campground of the Future was a design that was created by KOA, and they wanted to showcase some new ideas of what a campground might look like in the future. Well, I'm here to tell you one of those ideas that I found pretty intriguing was a delivery bot. They talked about having a delivery bot that would deliver firewood and supplies to your site, and they kind of referenced about Amazon and FedEx, how they're using these in their thought processes right now to get ready to deliver things like packages to you. Well, it got me thinking. I camp all around the country, and one of the common things everybody does is they got to go up to that camp store to go get their firewood, or maybe they go to Walmart or some other place in town and stop by and grab some firewood for their evening fires. What if you had a delivery bot today? What if your delivery bot was as simple as taking the old golf cart around or the ATV around with some firewood on the back, maybe going around about 4 or 5 o'clock in the day and driving through the campground selling firewood? How hard could that be? You know, or you have a pickup truck, load it up, run it out there, or let people even call in or text throughout the day and tell you if they'd like a delivery of firewood sent to their site that night. And you know, there's some other things that you could add to that list while you're at it. There are common things people need. You could let people pre-order supplies and deliver them to their site. It doesn't have to be that it's an emergency, you drop it everything at once. You could ask people if you'd like a delivery today. When we come on by, we'll be around between 2 and 4 o'clock and we'll deliver to your site. You could deliver things like toilet paper. How about that ever popular s'mores kit? Come on, bring that around with the firewood. We can do that, right? So make sure that you take full advantage of what a delivery bot can do for you today. You don't have to wait for technology to catch up and have an expensive piece of technology. Use the idea and put that to work for you today. Try to help out with the experience for your customers by making a delivery, a simple thing, nice and easy. And hey, don't forget, summertime's coming. What else could you deliver? How about some ice cream sandwiches, some drumsticks, popsicles? Drive around on the cart. That's a great way to increase your customer experience and also increase your sales. All right? Take that idea, have some fun with it, and let us know what you come up with. I'm Donna Bordeaux, campgroundaccounting.com. Thank you.